Lord, I don't know what I'm doing.
Baby, you gonna be able to swim with your paddle?
I am too!
Will you be there for me as I am?
What's up, GG family? How you doing, baby?
I feel pregnant as fuck.
Pregnant as fuck. You look good. Sexy. Look at that belly, guys. Oh my gosh, it's growing day by day. Guys, 2 more weeks. 2 more weeks. Repeat with me. What I say, 2 more weeks until the due date, guys. I'm telling you, it's about to be crazy. How's your day, baby? Tell them.
I had a good day at work. I'm trying to pop this baby out. Yesterday, we were squatting with Waters.
Facts. Squatting with Waters. I'm like, baby, what are you doing? She's like, baby, I went to the commissary and I started squatting with Waters. I'm like, huh? Look at you, bro. Oh my god. Hey guys, don't mind the box. It's actually a car seat and a stroller that we were blessed with at our baby shower. Shout out to everybody who came to our baby shower, all the Marines. You guys are the best. We really appreciate you guys. We love you guys. We were really, truly, truly blessed. We really thank you guys so very much.
We are very blessed with our friends, especially shout out to our friends that helped us cleaning and setting up the decorations. Shout out to Rocio and Luis and Obi. We love you guys.
We love you guys so very much. Guys, I'm not even gonna lie, like, we were truly blessed since, like, obviously we're out here in Japan as Marines, and it was very different with us not being able to be with our families, but, you know, our close friends and, you know, the Marines and brothers and sisters that we have around us really made it very family oriented and made it feel like as if it was at home. But we love you guys back at home. We really, truly wish that we was able to do something with you guys. This is for our family. And, well, you guys are our family too, GG family. But, yeah, we just truly wish that we was able to, you know, be with our families, of course, and stuff. And it's really tough, you know, for us getting ready to have a kid and our family not being able to be here. But, yeah. So, what brings today, baby? What's the adventure today that we're going to do?
So, right now, we're at, the taco place.
Shout out to that taco truck. What is that? Ken's Burrito? Guys. Is you sure?
The tortillas are bomb.
Hey,
so I asked them where they got their tortillas and they told me that it was secret. So now I can only just come back and get their tortillas.
Yeah, she was pretty a little salty on that because she was really trying to get the recipe. But they're smart. Like, you can't be mad at them. Like, they're business people. Like, I wouldn't give away my recipe either because if you got the recipe, that means you could take their business.
It's just tortillas. I didn't ask them how you make your burritos. Like, I just want your tortillas.
Guys, drop a comment down below. Guys, if you love burritos or what's your favorite freaking, what should be their favorite, what should I ask them?
What's your favorite burrito?
What's your favorite burrito? Facts. It's good? Huh? You over there fucking it out, girl.
Smack.
That weak ass slap, bro. Look, she missed half of my chain. God, you supposed to hit my cheek. You gonna slap me?
Smack.
Oh shoot, bro! She really slapped the out me, bro. Oh my god, bro! I felt it on my nose, bro. Now can I slap you?
No.
Huh?
No.
Tell me you love me right now, otherwise I'm gonna slap you. Backwards. Say it right now. 3, 2.
Julia. Have, what is it? A boat ride?
So stay tuned until you see the next clip. Yeah. All right, guys. Here we go. Look at this beautiful view. Oh. We on our way rushing to the boat. Ooh.
We should do that,
Mama?
Baby.
Do what?
I want to go to that place right there.
Over there. It does look fire, that place. Oh, that looks so fire. What's up, baby? You ready?
Oh, I can't even breathe. Damn, baby. I can't breathe. Guys, I have my mask on. I haven't gotten my COVID vaccine yet.
Not yet. I'm all fully vaccinated, guys. If you ain't vaccinated, get fully vaccinated.
You don't have your 2 weeks yet.
Why are you tired of telling them? I think I am on my 2 weeks actually.
No.
Today, actually, it was.
No.
I thought I got vaccinated 2 weeks ago on a Wednesday. I did. I
No.
did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Oh.
Water, tell the channel what's up, man. Introduce yourself.
Myself? Man, I like working out.
Hey, show them the muscles. Show them the muscles. Hey. What? Be out here.
How far is it?
Little baby mom's right there.
If you're not messing, let me tell you something. All right, hey guys, Prestonic here, Prestonic TV. But listen, the glorious gala shawls.
Hey.
Go subscribe. Hey, hey.
Hey, hey.
I have some dope content coming. If you just they just dropped the video, and let me tell you, that video is fire.
Sheesh.
It made me go like.
Bro, you don't want to roll with
my
us, bro.
nephew good,
Hey,
bro.
tell the GG family what's up, bro.
Man, listen here. CEO boys, bro.
Hey.
You gotta know how we roll.
Hey, facts.
It's us, Galashop,
Uh-huh.
fam. You know what I'm saying? We all in here.
Konnichiwa. Here we go, guys. All right, now we're taking the van to the boat.
Oki Adventures all the way.
Yep, Oki Adventures, Japan Ventures all the way. Hey, hey. Yeah, we just slapped the shit out of my thigh.
I'm excited.
I'm excited too. Give me cash. The moments we share together is priceless. Arigato.
When are you going?
I have to get surgery next Monday.
Oh, guys, pray for my man's though. He's getting surgery.
I want a fresh grill, okay? I want a cheese like everybody else.
Come on, baby.
I got you.
You're walking. Look at the dog.
Oh my gosh, look how cute that dog. Man, facts. Oh my god, I swear to God.
Short and long.
If Japan don't have them crazy ass breeds, bro. You ready? You ready, bro? We doing this in the evening time. Sheesh, bro. Life.
Should have seen the sunset.
I know. I wish, bro. We just missed it.
And you know, they have 4 locos, but over here we have Strongs.
Strongs, bro. And then show them the Korean drink, bro. Show them the Korean drink.
Soju.
The soju, bro.
Very powerful
Bro.
beverage, but it is very sweet.
Facts, bro. I'm telling you, bro. You can't touch Japan lifestyle, bro.
It says authorized personnel only.
Are we authorized? I think we are. Yeah. Here we go. Sheesh. Sheesh. Oh, God. Nah, you'll be fine, baby. Guys, so I'm not gonna be going parasailing, but some of my dogs
Y'all gonna
are.
say cheese?
Reason why is because I want to wait for later to share this moment with. So we're just gonna enjoy the boat ride, and I'm gonna just watch. We're gonna watch our dogs have fun.
Arigato.
I told him I'd beat his ass if he didn't.
She ain't lying, guys. She ain't lying. Sheesh. Hey, everybody say what's up to the vlog. Hey. Hey. Oh Oh Lord, we going fast. No, I'm playing. Yo, take it. Oh God, bro. Oh. You don't want to stand up, baby? Come here. Come here, put your knees on it. Come on, you got it, baby. Come on. Gigi family want to see you stand up. Come here, girl. You got it, queen. Look at that beautiful baby Zamani on the boat. There, you got it, mama. Just hold on. Ooh. Hey. Hey, should I jump in? Get down. Hey, yeah. This ain't nice, bro.
Are we gonna fall in the water?
It's amazing, right?
It's amazing, bro. Yeah, facts, bro. This is
I wanted to
lit.
bring you guys since I love you guys.
Yo, man, we fucking love you, dog. Like, dead ass, bro. You gonna make it far, dog. Guys, make sure y'all follow his music, Prestonic, on Apple Music, Spotify, YouTube, all that, bro.
Hey, I got new videos coming soon on YouTube, PRESTONIC TV, so.
Make sure y'all follow him, man. Guys, you see that plane right there? Alright, so right now it's going into landing, and like lady just brought up a good point. She was like, that was us one day coming into Japan, and I'm like, dang, baby, you exactly right. Like, you are exactly right. So, reason why I say it's so meaningful for us is because when me and lady first started talking, so I ended up going on a little quick, like, I wouldn't say deployment, but TAD, just temporary duty assignment to Australia. And I probably shouldn't really be saying this on a vlog, but I'm gonna just say lady should have been driving, alright? I'm gonna leave it right there. But this girl, man, she came and picked me up from the airport, even though she had just got to Japan, didn't know where the hell she was going. She didn't know. She went the wrong way too. She did go the wrong way. Oh, all this water splashing in her face, but she did go the wrong way. But either way, bro, it doesn't matter. It's the fact like she didn't care, bro. She was not gonna stop until she picked me up and she found me. Oh Lord. But yeah, guys, I just had to share that moment with you guys because that plane, it just made me think of like when I was in the air land. I'm like, yes, I finally get to see my baby girl because that was the first time. I think that was the longest, but we actually stayed away from each other.
It was like 2 weeks.
Yeah, about
like
two and a half. Yeah, they're 2.5 weeks.
Right before Christmas too.
Yeah, so I was just thank God like I was able to come home like right before Christmas and stuff, guys. But we thought we wanted to share this moment. It was back to the main bar.
Hey, I just want to say thank you to this guy.
Bye. Shout out. Arigato. Hey, guys, if you ever come to Okinawa, make sure you check them out, bro. Valid company. First class service.
Wow, Sinatra.
It's only 2 a.m. I'm in the club. To think I just came for her yet. I already know what shorty want. Let me pull up on ya. Let me take this leg. I already know what shorty want. Let me take this leg. Let me slide up on ya. Let me take this leg. Yeah. Malibu, what you do to me? Malibu, what you did to me? Breaking the bag, bringing the bag. Malibu is coming back tonight. Bring me the bags, no disrespect. Malibu is on her way tonight. Breaking the bag, yeah, bringing the bag. Malibu is coming back tonight. Bring me the bags, yeah, no disrespect. Malibu is on her way tonight. She just wanna chill out with the homies. A broken heart at some point we feel lonely. Bring out the bottles, now she's up on me. Feeling some type of way, now she want me. Can't step outside, niggas want me dead, yeah, yeah. No disrespect, your shorty want me back, yeah, yeah. This AP and this honey got me lonely. Sit down anyway, let's practice and let's play. Why does Malibu have me sipping Henny? She just wanna see me on that round 2. 50 shades of gray off that gray ghost. I don't understand what they did to you. Too many girls inside if you do it right. I don't need to see if you think I'm lying. Glittering with the H2O, take the check please. A lot of girls with the waterfall, take the time please. Don't start, Malibu. Can you wave and see? You're lost. Now don't start, Malibu. I don't wanna be in your dreams. Cause if your heart,
Yeah. Break my heart. Don't want you breaking me off. Ooh. Love a boy, love a girl. Ooh. Sight that's false. Yeah. Sipping that Malibu. Add that blink, my mind go raw. Yeah. Dark place, heartbreak, make my heart run so soft. False vision, reminiscing. Why I should've listened. God signs, let's talk. Making right decisions.
Yeah.
For every loss, there is victory. The way I'm still fulfilling.
Yeah.
Ladies step in front of my eyes. I made your big winnings.
yeah. Breaking the bag, bringing the bag. Malibu is coming back tonight. Bring me the bags, no disrespect. Malibu is on her way tonight. Breaking the bag, yeah, bringing the bag. Malibu is coming back tonight. Bring me the bags, yeah, no disrespect. Malibu is on her way tonight. Malibu,
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 Malibu, what you did to me?
what you do?
Malibu,
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 Malibu, did you ever love me? Yeah.
did you ever?
Breaking the bag, bringing the bags. Malibu is coming back tonight. Bringing the bags, no disrespect. Malibu is on her way tonight. Yeah.
Oh Lord, I don't know what I'm doing.
Baby, you gonna be able to swim with your paddle?
I am too! Alright guys, and that's going to conclude this vlog. We love you guys. If you love this video, make sure you hit a like. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you subscribe. Because I'm telling you, we only got crazy and crazy and crazier content coming out every week, each time. We love you guys. Peace.
Said don't wish you well. Don't you wanna run intel? Everything you did to me never felt so fucking low. But I know what I did to you. Wishing well this shit no more. Or were you just holding me back? I knew it was hard to fucking let me go.